जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का जो लेक्चर है वो सिंपली एक इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लास है और इसमें जितने भी जो कोर्स कंटेंट्स हैं क्लास के अंदर जो पढ़ाया जाएगा इस कोर्स के अंदर वो सारे के सारे आपके साथ थ्योरेटिकली और जो प्रैक्टिकल वाइज जो चीज़ें हैं वो आपके साथ शेयर की जाएंगी और साथ ही आपको उसके जो रेफरेंसेस हैं यानी कौन सी किताब से क्या चीज़ आपने पढ़नी है वो भी शेयर की जाएगी आपके साथ। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द टाइटल ऑफ दिस कोर्स इज इंट्रोडक्शन टू एनिमल हस्बेंड्री। कोर्स code is AH302 and the credit hours are 3 into 2 to 1. That means there would be classes of theory in a week and one practical class per week, but this practical class would be equal to 2 periods. Then comes the contents part. So in theory, we would discuss different topics, starting from role of livestock in national economy of Pakistan, common terminology which is related to livestock management, management of calves, heifers, pregnant and lactating animals, management of small ruminants, livestock housing, disease preventive measures. I forgot one thing to discuss with all of you, that this course comprises of 4 sections. First section belongs to livestock management. Livestock management. Second section belongs to animal breeding and genetics. Animal breeding and genetics. And third section belongs to animal nutrition. And fourth section belongs to poultry sciences. So basically, 4 sections of this course will be taught to everybody, and 2 components or portions will be the part of mid course, that is livestock management and animal breeding and genetics. Okay, so the first portion I already told you about, that was livestock management. So introduction to genetics and animal breeding, mechanism of inheritance, basic concepts of breeding, principles of selection, systems of breeding, बायोटेक्नोलॉजिकल टेक्निक्स इन एनिमल ब्रीडिंग एंड जेनेटिक्स, ये सारे के सारे जो टॉपिक्स हैं ये उसके मिड तक के टॉपिक्स होंगे। 2 सेक्शनों के, यानी लाइफ स्टॉक मैनेजमेंट और एनिमल ब्रीडिंग एंड जेनेटिक्स। बाकी जो फाइनल का कोर्स है उसमें बेसिक टर्म्स इन एनिमल न्यूट्रिशन, न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड देयर फंक्शंस, कॉमन फीड स्टफ्स एंड देयर क्लासिफिकेशन, digestive physiology of monogastric and ruminant animal, importance and scope of poultry industry, यानी कि अब आपको जो है वो पोल्ट्री का सेक्शन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। Classes, breeds and strains of poultry and their characteristics, selection, care and storage of hatching eggs, incubation methods and requirements, principles of poultry housing, broiler and layer management, poultry farm biosecurity. So all these contents, they are from theory section. Now I would discuss with you practicals which would be covered in this course during this semester. So first, basically it also has been divided into 4 sections: livestock management, then animal breeding and genetics, then animal nutrition, and at the end poultry science. So identification of body parts of livestock. First, practical application of various management tools. Second, practical from livestock management. Milk analysis. There are different parameters we analyze the milk for, like protein percentage, like fat percentage and its specific gravity. Then animal breeding portion, it consists of problems related to Mendelian genetics and identification of various breeds of farm animals, male and female reproductive organs, male and female reproductive organs, reproductive cycle, artificial breeding. To this topic, uh, portion of animal breeding and genetics will be completed. Then comes identification of feed ingredients. This is the animal nutrition part. Fodder preservation, urea treatment of wheat straw, urea molasses blocks, demonstration of poultry breeds or strains. Now, poultry science section has started. Collection, grading, fumigation, and storage of hatching eggs, brooders and incubators, types and their handling. Demonstration regarding poultry farm equipment, management practices, and biosecurity of poultry farm. So all these topics will be covered in a practical portion in the same way or in the same sections as in theory. So there are different books which are recommended for this course. Basically 5 books, but I like 2 books the most. Actually, all are my favorite books. Uh, the first one is Banerjee, GC Banerjee, which is a textbook of animal husbandry. Publishers are from India. Uh, Second one is the same author, but the domain is animal nutrition, feeds and principles of animal nutrition. It is also very, very good book, informative book. Then is Borden's book, Understanding Animal Breeding, UK, the publishers from UK. And then a Pakistani book from our teachers, uh, Professor Ehsan Haq Sahab. He wrote a book on poultry farming. This book was written in collaboration with Higher Education Commission. And the last one, but very important one, Animal Husbandry. This book is available at National Book Foundation, Islamabad. Actually, National Book Foundation, they have an office in our university. We can contact them. If anybody wants to purchase this book, we will contact them and tell them that this book is required in this number. So, and also, I would like to tell you one thing that the first book, textbook of animal husbandry, it is available in PDF form. I think another student from other section has shared with all of us the PDF form of this book. So I think we just need to buy or purchase the book Animal Husbandry from National Book Foundation. Their office is at University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. Okay. So I think this was all about today. Inshallah, see you soon again.